Guys, in this video we will see how to fix Chrome error. This plugin is not supported on your Google Chrome browser. There are two ways to fix this issue. If these two ways not fixes your issue, then try another browser to open your web page. And the first one is open Google Chrome browser and click on three vertical dot against top right corner and hover the cursor on help and choose about Google Chrome. Update your Google Chrome browser. This is the first and initial workaround. Update your Google Chrome browser, choose about Google Chrome, and Chrome will now update it. The second way is again click on three horizontal line against top left corner and choose privacy and security. Click on it and here click on delete browsing data. Click on it and here choose advanced time range all time and make the check against all the option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files. And finally click on delete data. It will clear your browser caches, cookies and site data. These are the two ways to fix your issue. If these two ways don't fix your issue, then try another browser to open your web page on your Windows 11 and 10 system. That's all.